You're watching Mining News headlines on mining.com. Copper prices surged to a record $5.37 per pound on Wednesday after news that a U.S. tariff on the metal may come sooner than expected. Well, this pushed the price gap between New York and London to $1,700 per ton. The new price of $11,840 per ton follows predictions that copper could hit $12,000 this year. The market is tightening with huge copper imports heading to the U.S. Analysts expect the 25% tariff to be implemented sooner than anticipated. Increased industrial demand for copper is driven by U.S. and EU grid upgrades. Well, here's market commentator Peter Schiff on the latest copper surge.
So it's not just precious metals, it's industrial metals. Copper's up 30% this year. I mean, they're talking about we got inflation licked. Copper's up 30%, and it's not even the end of the first quarter. I mean, these guys are delirious if they don't see that there's a huge inflation problem. Central banks know it. That's why they're buying gold. They're dumping their dollars.
The Bank of America has raised its gold price forecast for this year and next year, citing ongoing uncertainty from U.S. trade policies. The bank now expects gold to reach $3,063 per ounce this year and $3,350 per ounce in 2026. Gold is currently trading at around $3,024 per ounce, marking a 15% increase this year. This rally has been driven by economic and geopolitical concerns linked to U.S. trade policies under President Donald Trump. The volatility in U.S. tariffs has fueled uncertainty, supporting higher gold prices. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has confirmed the U.S. and Ukraine are on track to sign a new partnership deal as early as next week. The Ukrainian government is currently reviewing the proposal, which builds on last month's minerals deal. President Zelensky has confirmed the new version excludes U.S. involvement in Ukraine's nuclear sector. The agreement focuses on Ukraine's vast mineral resources, which could be worth trillions. Both sides are hopeful that full discussions will lead to a signing in the coming days. The deal marks a significant step in strengthening U.S.-Ukraine economic ties. The EU has unveiled 47 strategic projects to boost local extraction, processing, and recycling of critical materials. The projects span 13 member states, focusing on key metals like lithium, copper, and cobalt. These efforts aim to meet targets of sourcing 10%, processing 40%, and recycling 25% of critical materials by 2030. Environmental groups oppose some projects, citing community and environmental risks. The EU will speed up these initiatives with fast-track permits and public financing. More project lists will follow, including international ventures. Swiss trader MERCURIA plans to increase its stake in copper mines as it grows its metals division. The company partnered with Zambia in December to launch a metals trading arm focused on copper. That is crucial for energy transition. CEO Marco Dunant says MERCURIA is making significant investments in the sector with opportunities to pre-finance and co-invest. The company is also focusing on logistics and the broader metal supply chain. Its expansion into metal increases competition with smaller traders in the sector. And that's where we leave your mining headlines for now. Bye-bye.